Welcome to Mandalay Bay.
A boater's paradise tucked right here in the heart of the Channel Islands.
Here, life revolves around the water.
Whether you and your friends are looking for cheese and wine on the electric boat or deep sea fishing, Mandalay Bay has it all. Mandalay Bay was developed in 1968 and features over 740 boat dock homes, ranging from original charmers to stunning modern remodels. Whether you're sailing out to the Channel Islands or enjoying a sunset cruise through the harbor, your boat is always just steps from your back door.
This is a neighborhood where coastal luxury meets laid-back living. From morning paddleboarding to evening wine on the dock, life here flows at your pace.
Mandalay Bay homeowners are part of the Channel Islands Waterfront Homeowners Association, which pretty much acts as a liaison between the city and the county. A community-led group supporting safety, waterway upkeep, and local events. Annual dues here are only $60 a year with a one-time transfer fee of $75 at the sale.
One of the hot topics here in Mandalay Bay is the Seawall project. And if you want to learn more about what's going on there, check out the tile below.
Located just minutes from Silver Strand Beach and surrounded by local favorites like Sea Fresh and the harbor's weekend markets, Mandalay Bay offers both convenience and calm. So if a $15 million boat dock home in Newport Beach is out of the question, maybe Mandalay Bay is the right place for you.
At Ahoy, not only do we live, work, and play in the harbor, but we are the #1 team selling boat dock homes for over 20 years. If you want to learn more about life in our harbor, schedule time on our calendar below.